Adobe Photoshop 7.0 installation setup on Windows 11 operating system. Installation before system settings. Desktop Windows search box lo virus and treat enter. First option virus and treat protection select. Second one option virus treat protection settings related option manage settings click. First one real-time protection present onset offset left side edge mouse left click. Windows security window lo first button yes click. Scroll down cloud delivered protection left side edge mouse left click. Automatic sample submission related option left side edge mouse left click. Offset temper protection left side edge mouse left click. Offset after installation completed all option on set. Window minimize browser open Google search box lo enter key press first one or second one select browser close desktop Adobe Photoshop folder select open window maximize bottom side blue color setup file select mouse right click first setup.exe window lo first button yes click. Adobe Photoshop 7.0 setup window lo first button next click. OK button click. Select language default first one language US English set. Second button next click. Software license agreement application related complete information display in middle section. Read out once. Second button accept click. User information window lo first option. Two options display. First one a business, second one an individual. Second option left side circular tick mark set. First one title salvation anyone name or number enter and first name anyone Chari. Third one empty set and fourth one box anyone enter. Two company name tech. Last one serial number enter. Adobe Photoshop setup window minimize. Notepad related serial number file select open. Second line serial number complete select mouse right click. Third option copy click. Notepad file close. Setup window reopen. First box mouse left click. Keyboard shortcut key Ctrl V press. All boxes fill serial number. Second button next click. You have provided the following registration information. Complete display. First button yes click. Click the type of setup you prefer then click next. Two options display. First one typical. Second one custom. First one default left side circular tick mark set. Photoshop 7.0 application installation path destination folder local disk C newly created folder Photoshop 7.0 display installation folder change the another one drive present C change the drive browse button click present unnecessary second button next click select the like type of video Photoshop PS on images ready second button next click current settings related settings all options display second button next click. Adobe Photoshop 7.0 installation process start 0 to 100% installation process start until wait and a few minutes. Setup is complete. Middle section display Photoshop readme file. Application related complete information display in readme file. Present unnecessary left side box tick mark remove finish button click. Thank you for choosing Adobe Photoshop 7.0 window lo OK button click. Folder close desktop window search box lo enter Photoshop. First option Adobe Photoshop 7.0 select about Photoshop window lo OK button click. Adobe Photoshop application running. Adobe registration and registration choice. Three options display. Last one. Do not display this dialog again. Left side circle tick mark set. Mouse left click. First button, continue click. First button, yes click. Cancel click. Adobe Photoshop interface complete display. Window maximize. File menu click. First one, new option select. New window. First one, name. Enter the project or file name. Chari. Second one, preset size. Default Photoshop size. Right side down arrow click. A4. Last one select. Right side down. Number of centimeters, millimeter, pixels, inches select. Bitmap, RBG. Present transparent. PNG related editing. Background color. Second one present empty. Okay, click. Chari file name. Text. Select font size 30. Chari Tech Info Warangal. Enter. Control T. Middle pointer. Bottom side drag. Enter key press.